for your immediate action. Take action. This is the kind of emails which we see many times when you are working in a corporate. In the real world also, people are seen busy, acting, taking actions, doing things here and there, which is considered as one of the very, very good attribute of a human being. But is it really essential? Every time being active, taking actions, is it really helpful? Soccer, football, the world's most popular sport. According to one of the statistics, FIFA 2018 World Cup final was seen live by more than 1.1 billion people around the world. So soccer has a very interesting activity in that sometimes you get a so-called penalty kick, where a goalkeeper is only standing in front of the goal and the player comes and gives a kick and it goes into the goal. Most probable chances of getting a goal is in a penalty kick. And the statistics says that a penalty kick, almost one third is put into the right hand side of the goalkeeper. One third is put almost on the left side of the goalkeeper, but remaining one third, 33% roughly, is given in the center of the goal. And if you have seen, you have noticed it, the goalkeeper invariably jumps either to the right to save the penalty or to the left to save the penalty. But you will never see a goalkeeper standing in the center and expecting that the ball will come to him and he will stop here. Though there are 33% chances, one third, same as going to the right or same as going to the left, that he will come to the center. The reason is very simple. The goalkeeper wants to show that he is taking an action. If he is lucky, he will get in the same direction where the goal is coming. He might be able to stop or it might still pass through. But if he stands in the center and the ball goes to the right or to the left and it gets a goal, then he will be looked as a fool. He will be embarrassed. People will laugh at him. And this is the reason why the goalkeeper doesn't want to stand in the center. He wants to take action, going to right or going to left. This is what is called as action bias. We all humans are tuned to be action bias. Whatever activity is happening, we don't want to be looked like a fool taking no action. If there is a doctor and you go to the doctor to show your health, doctor sees you, finds you all okay, your pulse, heart beats, everything is okay, maybe a little bit of a cold, which is seasonal change, he will still prescribe a small medicine and give it to you. It could be a simple vitamin, not going to help you much in your current action because you don't need it. But still he will give you a prescription, a tablet, only because he doesn't want to be seen as not taking an action. You will also not like him giving you no tablet, no prescription after having examined you. You have gone all the way. This is what is known as action bias. If you are walking on the road and it starts drizzling, people immediately turn and run and find some shelter. Without even thinking whether it is safe to travel, is there a vehicle coming by, somebody else is there on the right side or left side of yours when you are journeying. Because you are used to take action, immediate action. Now this is something coming to us from our ancestors. Ancestors, when they were not having so many facilities around the world, they were the hunters. There were wild animals around whenever they were moving around. And if you see a wild animal, you have to take action to protect yourself. So this is how it has been coming through us. But is it really essential? In today's world, is it really essential? You have so many activities, you have so much information, you have so much of intelligence with you, tools, experiences. Is it really essential? Think over it. People will start selling the stocks if they see that market is going down. Immediate reaction. Most of them, not all of them, most of them. Why? That's because sometimes people want to show that they are taking actions. Or they want to feel self-satisfied that I have taken an action. Whether it gives a desired results or no is a different matter. Not bothered with that, but it just gives us mental satisfaction that we have taken an action. Think over it. Does it really help every time? Is it essential to take immediate action or so-called reaction? Take a pause, think over it for a minute or a half or 15 minutes, depending upon the situation and the kind of decision it is there, before you take action. Because actions just for the sake of having taken action doesn't give any result is of no use. Sometimes it might actually worsen the situation. From if you had not taken an action, it would have been probably better than having taken an action. Think over it. Are we actually action biased? Are you action biased? Thank you. Please give me your comments and I would like to be happy to interact with you. Thank you very much.